Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text in Keynote table columns. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I align text in Keynote table columns in this presentation. Now you can see here I inserted a table with this text. Now I align text in this table column. At first I have to select a column to drag on my mouse. Now you can see I select a column. Now go to show or hide format style option. Now click cell option. Now you can see here alignment option. Now I change center align to left alignment, right alignment, and justify what you can want. Now I make it right alignment. Now click outside of this text. Now you can see I align text in Keynote table columns very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.